Hello, this video is going to be about YMAX, stock ticker YMAX, and my nearly $15,000 investment into it since June 2024. Today is January 28th, 2025. And YMAX, I just experienced a return of capital event. This event reduces the investor's cost basis in that investment, and that's exactly what happened to me. I woke up today and my new cost basis was $18. I opened up my spreadsheet. I'm looking at my cost basis of $19.31, wondering what just happened. And it was like, so it took me a while, but I figured it out what it was. So it happened on 11 purchases up to October 31st, 2024. So I had to readjust my spreadsheet to incorporate the new numbers. Now, I was not given money. It just lowered my share at cost basis. So no, this money did not go into my account. It just is there. When I do go to sell, okay, so let's talk about what happens if I do sell. So I have 985 shares. Let's go to the new average. Yes, I have 985 shares at 18.00. My spreadsheet is off just by a little bit, so I'm close enough. The estimated dividends at 12 cents is around $118. My total dividends year to date is since June 2024 is $4,398. I was able to buy 235 shares with those dividends, and my dividends are now collecting dividends. As of last week, I have collected $503 from my 235 shares. So my dividends are collecting dividends. Okay, but no one really cares about that. What happens if I sold everything today? If I sold everything today, I would have $2,660 in my pocket. All right, well, what about the SPY? What if I invested in the SPY? Well, my initial investment of $15,000 would have bought me 27 shares of the SPY at the time. Which was $548. Today the SPY is $604. If I sold everything, I would make $1,512. So with this return of capital, if I sold everything, I now am beating the SPY in total returns. If I sold everything, because you have to make profit by selling the SPY to make profit. You have to sell. Well, if you take out the taxes, I made $3,800 in total dividends. All I have to do is sell $3,800 worth of shares, and I can collect that money. And then I pay taxes on that too. I don't know. Probably if I sell it for those shares for a profit, that's like double taxed. I wonder if drip counts into this. I wonder if I should actually drip it, if that's a tax benefit or not. I actually don't know, because the return of capital thing itself kind of boggled my mind at first. I even called E-Trade, and they're like, nope, no error. I'm like, well, okay then. Okay, so let's talk about the SPY being at 604, okay? So here's the SPY monthly chart. We can see a lot of months. We see from 2009 to 2027, and that's not even here yet. So what we will talk about is when I invested. I invested on this candle here. Now this candle is technically considered a breakout candle because we have these three candles here consolidating, and whoop, look at that, a breakout. Well, I just so happened to buy on that gosh darn day. And this is where we are today. All right, we're way up here. So, what I'm trying to say is, don't put all your eggs in one basket. It is entirely possible that this stock will come back down and test these highs or these lows or whatever. Okay, so that means YMAX will go down. All right, so don't be that guy that invests into these dividends and expect the NAV to constantly go up. The NAV will go up only when the stock market goes up. The majority of the stocks that are in YMAX, okay, and most of them are in the SPY. Okay, so keep track. Just keep track. Do your own thing. You know, day by day. Whatever.